finally met a guy who's nice, not married, gay, or trying to find himself. And he's trying very hard to get himself peace. I don't think there is a lot of guys like you anyway.
Mike used to say the worst thing about shooting a gun was the recoil. It bruises you, or to stay around for days. But then, after a while, you get used to it.
How about your father's blood type?
You know your parents' blood type?
You know what? I don't. Fair enough.
See anything you like?
Depends on what's for sale.
Cigarettes, cigars, art,
Oh, I can't. Any chance I can order off the menu?
I'm afraid you just heard what's regardless, the police want to investigate the matter further.
We have come to visit you in peace and with goodwill.
I wish I was with you right now. Are you ready?
Ready and willing. Oh, I am. Oh, I shall be gentle. I love it when you do that. I like this.
No, not this time. You don't get to do anything but what I want you to do. For 7 years, I've been assistant manager. 7 years. And in charge of 8, sometimes 10 people at a time. Lord, had my problems. But in 7 years, my register's never come up short. That made me proud. And in one day, my child took my 7 years for $10.
The earth is the Lord's, and the fullness thereof.
are in Jupiter's space, and the entire crew is revived, it could be told to you. 18 months ago, the first evidence of intelligent life off the Earth was discovered. It was buried 40 feet below the lunar surface, near the crater Tycho. Except for a single, very powerful radio emission aimed at Jupiter, the 4-million-year-old black monolith has remained completely inert. Its origin and purpose still a total mystery.
Hang on, mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you.